Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn numbers in Korean. Il, il means one. E, e means two. Some means three. Sa means four. O means five. Juk means six. Chill means seven. Pearl means eight. Ku means nine. Sib means 10. Shibil means 11. Shibi means 12. Sipsum means 13. Shipsa means 14. Shibo means 15. Shimnyu means 16. Shipchil means 17. Shipper means 18. Shipku means 19. E-ship means 20. If you want to learn more words like this, then subscribe to my channel. Bye.